Hello guys, if you type projects.thecanary.com, enter, you come to the intranet. So only people who has the invitation can access to this place. Um, well, we see some text, but actually the video you're watching, you're probably watching from the home page. So we have home, then we have communication, where we can put all the folders for the missions, and then we delete them. So it would be very easy just to come from here. Then we have projects. At the moment, I have put only two projects, and really, this is the main project we're starting as a template. So the structure of the projects in the intranet will be that the main page, so the title, will have the project data, which is a template in Excel. This will change, of course, with the basic details. Then we have a calendar, and then we have a map, so we can see every project what it is. And then below here we have a link to data and resources that for some reason is broken, the link. I have to check it. But all these things comes to, if I go to production, BB Cocoon, on the folders, that one is reading the content of data and resources. Come back here. Yeah, for some reason it's broken. Now there are two sub pages in for every project. One will be deliverables, and this again, maybe because I'm not logged in. Yeah, so I'll show you here. Projects, deliverables. Yeah, this will work. Um, these deliverables are the main, I mean, the things that we are meant to give to the client. So this is okay if the client actually have a constant access, so we can change the permissibility of this site, and we can invite the client. However, production is a different story, because we don't want the client to be, yeah, mucking around with the messing around with the production files. So deliverable is somehow public to consultants and the client, where we have the main folder of the deliverables. So the presentation, which if we click here, will go straight to a PDF viewer. This folder will be called superseded, but we just everything is in process. Then we have one for the forms, whichever forms we need to launch development applications or whatever. Um, that's about it for the client side. And then for our side, for the production, we will have, well, these are just some notes how to name the files, the main files that we're working on. But normally we will access this from Google Drive, which synchronizes with the computer. If you have click that option, then a bit below we have input and output. Input, all the information that we receive from consultants in regards to the project, and output, all the information that we generate for consultants or for the client, but are not actually the deliverable. So for example, this one, we have to make some annotations on a file that was made by another architect, and just put some annotation, but that's kind of an output thing. Now, this is on the projects. Then we have resources. I'm working on this now. Procedures will be how to start projects, or how to create a project inception report, how to prepare a development application. So it will be like tutorials on how to do things in terms of compliance mainly. And then some tutorials that I'm preparing for, well, I have created for CAD and SketchUp, and I probably create for PDF and Photoshop and Word and Excel, and things that I find really that will improve productivity and a bit of efficiency. So in these ones we also have the templates, the CAD templates. For example, we have the CAD PGP and the CTVs and fonts and and also the file template. And we have some videos that I have created for how to use the layers or how to we organize the files. So a bit of the logic in here. I have many more videos that I have to put in here. Maybe I do like a content table or something like this. And then the same thing for SketchUp. This is just the starting of the intranet that hopefully help us to work a bit more, be a bit more efficient, and and somehow every will ease every all the processes and all the communication. Well, thank you and bye bye.